Chicken bird make noises. What? Say again? 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 I can't hear you. That's making bird noise?
Yeah.
Again, do it again.
The bird making noise like that. You're making noise too.
Where's that cute little bird? So cute. So cute. You're a cute little baby. You're making bird. You want to make me 4 little baby making birds already?
Yeah. I need to go sleep because you want the bird sleep. The bird sleep. Don't hit them because you need sleep.
Okay.
In that room.
Okay.
And if the baby wake up, I need to go in the morning. Wait, somebody take care of them. Oh no!
Yes.
I need to put the baby in the grandma house.
Okay.
And they play and they laugh and they sleepy and they wake up in the morning. They play everywhere. I can play everywhere too.
Okay.
And you go work.
Okay.
I need to take care of them.
Okay.
I don't want to put her everywhere. I want to not put everywhere because I need to hold them like that. I need to hold them.
Yes.
I need to go take her. Oh no, I need to brush my teeth. Daddy, you can help me brush my teeth?
But I want to, can you make the noise again?
Okay, I want to make you noise too, and me too.
Okay, go.
You too.
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. You're a cute little bird. Yes, tweet, tweet, tweet. Yes. I only hear 3 kisses.
Oh,
one of them didn't get a kiss.
I need to hatch this one too.
Hatch one more? That's you only have 5? What the hell? What is that? Tell me how you hatch. You look like you take a poo poo.
No, that's more. Only the babies.
Okay.
And they hatch ready, and more to go right there.
How many are there?
8.
8? You have 8 kids now?
Yeah.
You're such a small little Megan bird. And you want to have what? What is that? Do it again.
Ready. Look.
How many eggs are there now? How many?
8.
8?
Yeah.
Wow.
And when they go sleep, they sleep, they eat ready, they drink water, they eat worms, they eat drink water ready. They now brush the teeth ready. Now I need to go sleep ready. Daddy, you can help me brush my teeth?
Okay. Yeah.
And I need to go sleep with. Wait. Mommy was that. I set the bird.
Okay.
You will die, but Hopey the brother. Wait, oh Roscoe. Roscoe.
I don't know.
Roscoe.
Uncle Bird?
Uncle
Bird?
Yeah. Roscoe is Andrew. Take care of them, all the families.
Yes. Okay.
But I need to brush my teeth.
Okay.
Daddy Bird, you can help me. What happened to right there?
I don't know. The worm bit me.
What?
Make the noises.
They making noise. You too.
I want to make noise. Make noise. Make noise again. I love you making it. It's so cute. Right?
I hatched right there too because look, I hatched.
Yes. What are you doing?
Hatching.
Hatching more? That's how you hatch.